Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make my GMC Sierra louder step by step. Begin by checking local noise laws before modifying your exhaust. Start with a clear plan and basic tools, and I will guide you through component choices, simple installs, and safety checks. This approach saves time and money, helps avoid fines, and keeps your truck reliable while delivering a deeper, cleaner tone you can enjoy on the road. When choosing parts, think about the result you want and legal limits in your area. Catback systems give a balanced sound and improved flow without touching catalytic converters. Straight pipes are loudest but often illegal and can reduce low-speed torque feel. Upgrading mufflers or adding a resonator can refine tone and cut unwanted drone so the truck sounds aggressive but remains usable every day on highways and city streets. Take your time and prepare a clean workspace before lifting the truck. Measure pipe lengths and flange types so parts fit first time, and have replacement bolts on hand. Use anti-seize and new gaskets to avoid leaks and future headaches. After installation, check for leaks at idle and do a careful road test to detect drone or vibration, then adjust hangers or add packing for refined sound without rattles or poor performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.